See what I'm saying?
So you want me to just drive?
No, I don't want you to do anything. I like the way you're doing it. It's funny. I'm observing. It's observation comedy.
So what I should do, if I didn't have ego involvement in my order, would be to say, cheese on an English with extra
There
cheese.
you go, right. But see, that would indicate you care less about the outcome.
Why is there tornado?
Right, so say it the way you want to say it. It's just that the way you say it indicates you care more about the outcome, and there's a heavier penalty if they get it wrong.
Well, there is. I give it back.
Right.
But
That's what I mean. I know why you
love
do it.
this
You didn't even want to admit it, but I knew why you did
get
it.
everything right. I haven't changed. I've been coming there since I started working.
Of course you haven't.
They can't believe that I haven't set my own.
They're sitting there at minimum wage, spinning their wheels in life, and they know they're going to deal with you if they get something wrong. You're probably like the most nervous moment of their day.
Really, they're really nice to you. It's such a dick.
Busting.
I went in there one day and Kyle was going passing me out and he goes, "You don't know anything." I said, "Why?" He said, "The guy in front of you paid for your order." I said, "Why did you do that?"
Why is there a
He
fucking
said,
tornado
"Oh, the guy in front of him paid for his." I said,
187.
"All right, does the lady behind me have a good order?" He said, "No, just the coffee." I said, "I'll pay for her order."
Yeah, there you go.
Like, see how long we can keep this going.
That was good.
It makes me happy. It was a nice thing in the mind. I'm like, oh, somebody did something right.
Why is there a fucking tornado
Was it
warning?
nice? She didn't know who the fuck I
Oh, he
was.
didn't. That was really nice.
I sure did just storm. A tornado warning here in Burton.
And nobody knows who Sally is, by the way. So you can call me Sally all day long. And then people call me like, ow.
I didn't hear you. Salad? Somebody's calling you salad?
No, I said you call me Sally all the time. All
I
the
call you
kids-
Sally all the time? I never call you Sally.
Whenever I order anything, you do.